Today I'll be teaching you how to make this adorable, sweet owl out of a paper plate. And it's really simple. The materials for this cute owl are a black marker, a paintbrush, yellow paint or any colored paint, glue, scissors, a pencil, a circle to trace, 2 paper plates, white paper, and any other colored paper. First step is to paint both plates yellow. Make sure you flip it around because I've made that mistake many times. I painted both plates, so now we'll let them to dry. For the next step, we'll trace a circle on our colored paper. Cut out all of the circles that you traced. Fold all of the circles that you cut out in half. Here's how mine look. After this, take one of your dried plates and cut it in half. The next step is to make legs on a paper, make a beak on paper, make some eyes on paper, and also I made this little fancy background for my eyes, and it's going to look like this when it's stuck onto the paper, but you don't need to do that. I stuck the eyes onto the little pattern, I stuck the beak, and I stuck the feet, but I stuck them under the plate. The owl looks so cute so far. Let's start gluing on the circles. So we're gonna glue them on under his eyes and nose. It looks so adorable right now, but to make it even more cuter, we can add these cute little wings. So all we have to do is glue them on. So I'm just going to put some glue. So we've added the wings and it looks so cute. That's how you make an adorable paper plate owl.